Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use Chrome AI assistants for writing. So let's get started with the video. So basically, in order to use this, first you need to enable the Help Me Write feature in your Chrome browser. How you can do that is, you can click on the three dots that you will see at upper right side, and after that you have to click on Settings. So once you're in Settings, here at the left side, you will see an option of AI Innovations, and under it you will see an option of Help Me Write. Make sure that you have toggled it on the offer writing help. Pause that. You can open any of the tab and here search for that particular thing which you want to search. You can write few words of it and then right click on it. Here you will see an post writing, you will see an option of Help Me Write. After right clicking, you need to click on that. A pop-up window will appear. Just click on OK. And here, once you have written this, you will get an option in order to polish, elaborate it or formalize it. You can choose it according to your need, and post that you can click on this AI icon for create, and you will see that it will get created. It has just polished your writing which you have written for few words. Wait for few seconds until it get generated. So this is how you can do that. Even if you want to replace it, you can just click on replace button if you are not liking this writing. So this is how you can use this feature. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.